Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to create a professional flowchart in Smartsheet, you've clicked on the right tutorial. Today I'm walking you step by step through the best way to set up a flowchart, using some handy templates and a few creative tricks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up, customize, and reuse your flowcharts, so managing projects, mapping processes, or visualizing tasks becomes a total breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, head into your Smartsheet workspace. This is your main hub. Think of it like your studio where all your project essentials live. Now look for that Add to Workspace button. Go ahead and click it. We want to create a new dashboard, so hit Create Your Dashboard. Smartsheet will then guide you through the setup. Hit Get Started and fill in any details it asks for. This dashboard is where your flowchart will sit, ready for you and your team to use. Now here where we get creative. Open up a new tab in your browser and go to Google. Type in Free Process Mapping Template or Smartsheet Flowchart Template. What we're after is a drag-and-drop shortcut. These free templates give you a set of shapes and arrows that make designing your flowchart much smoother than starting from scratch. Once you found a template you like, look for something that says Detailed Process Mapping Template Excel. Click on it. Often, these templates will have a download link after you scroll down the page a bit. Click the link and your template file should start downloading. You might see a quick confirmation pop up just to let you know your download on its way. After the file's downloaded, let's open it up. This is usually an Excel file, so just double-click and it'll launch right in Excel. Now to get this ready for Smartsheet, go to the File menu at the top of Excel and choose Save As. Here's the important bit. Pick the option to save your file as a web page or HTML type. This converts your worksheet into an image you can easily use elsewhere. Save it somewhere you'll remember, like your desktop. Jump back over to your Smartsheet dashboard. We're almost there. Click to add a new widget and look specifically for the Image widget option. This widget is what lets you display your flowchart right inside Smartsheet, clear and front and center. Now here comes the building part. From the images and shapes you downloaded, upload each shape or step into your dashboard one by one. Arrange them just like you see in your Excel template or however best fits your process. Think of it as piecing together a puzzle that represents your workflow. Don't worry if this takes a few tries. Getting everything to line up can take a moment, but once you've done it, you'll have a clean visual flowchart ready to use. If you realize you want to adjust the labels or steps, just pop back into your Excel file, tweak the text right inside the shapes, and repeat the save and upload process. You can do this as many times as you like, updating your flowchart whenever your process changes. It's a super flexible approach, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to update and share new charts in just a few minutes. And that's it, you've just created a smart, customizable flowchart in Smartsheet. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own flowchart tips, just drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.